Hello. APSC PYQA Part C year 2001 question number 53 to 81 paper 1 general studies all আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম 50 question number 53 the states Venkataswamy commission pertains to A Ayodhya issue, B Enron issue, C 1993 riots in Mumbai, D Tehelka expose. The answer is D Tehelka expose. Question number 54 on March 31st Union Commerce Minister announced new extreme policy for the year 1999 to 2000. It aims to A setting up free trade zones, B taking up 16 rail line projects for better transportation network, C allowing 74% foreign district investment, D setting up of expenditure reform commission. The correct answer is A setting up free trade zone. Question number 55. The European single currency comes into effect from A 1998, B 1999, C 2000, D 2001. The correct answer is C 2000. Question number 56. The Indus Valley monuments were built of A sun-dried bricks, B brand bricks, C stone, D wood and bamboo. The correct answer is A sun-dried bricks. Question number 57. The historian to accompany Sultan Muhammad of Ghazni in several of his expeditions was A Farishta, B Al-Biruni, C Minhajuddin Siraj, D Baduni. The correct answer is B Al-Barauni. Question number 58. Gandhiji called off non-cooperation movement because of the violent incident at Bardoli, B Dandi, C Chauri Chora, D Ahmedabad. The correct answer is C Chauri Chora. 59. The Gandhara School of Art emphasized on A Indian material and Greek style, B Greek material and Indian style, C both Indian material and Indian style, D neither Indian material nor Indian style, A Indian material and Greek style. Question number 60. The Greek general defeated by Chandragupta Maurya was A Antigonus, B Seleucus, C Eudomus, D Philippos. The correct answer is B Seleucus. Question number 61. Who is called the Indian Napoleon? A Sarnudragupta, B Chandragupta II, C Sandagupta, D Pulkesin II. The correct answer is A Samudragupta. Question number 62. Grand Trunk Road, which extended from Sonargaon in East Bengal to Sindh, was built by A Akbar, B Jahangir, C Sher Shah, D Alauddin Khilji. The correct answer is C Sher Shah. Question number 63. Who passed the Vernacular Press Act restricting the freedom of the press? A Lord Dalhousie, B Lord Lytton, C Lord Dufferin, D Lord Lansdowne. The correct answer is B Lord Lytton. 64. The slogan Jai Hind was coined by A Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B Subhash Chandra Bose, C Bipin Chandra Pal, D Lala Lajpat Rai. The correct answer is B Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 65. Chanakya, who helped Chandragupta Maurya to annihilate the Nanda kingdom, was a Brahmin from Taxila, B Pataliputra, C Kanuj, D Gandhara. The correct answer is A Taxila. Question number 66. The offices of the Barbolwa and the Borpukon was created by A Sudangpa, B Suhumung Dihinia Raja, D C Pratap Singha, C D Jayadhya Singha. The correct answer is C Pratap Singha. 67. The Chutia kingdom was conquered by A Sulengmung, B Sulengmung Dihinia Raja, C Pratap Singha, D Jayadhya Singha. The correct answer is B Suhumung Dihinia Raja. Question number 68. The Kachari king to assume the title Pratap Narayan after defeating the Ahom was 1. Indrabal Narayan, B Joshanarayan, C Nirbhaya Narayan, D Durlabhara Narayan. The correct answer is C Nirbhaya Narayan. 69. Who among the following literature did not receive the patronage of the Kuch king Narayan? A Ram Saraswati, B Ananda Kundoli, C Shankardeva, D Madhav Kandoli. The correct answer is D Madhav Kandoli. 70. Rudrasingh was first built the Ranghar with bamboo and wood. It was rebuilt with brick and mortar by Siva Singha, B Pramatta Singha, C Rajeshwar Singha, D Lakshmi Singha. The correct answer is B Pramatta Singha. 71. The Battle of Maharghar was fought between A Chandrakanta Singha and the Burmese, B the Burmese and the British, C the Burmese and Ruchinath Borgohai, D the Burmese and Purandar Singha. The correct answer is A Chandrakanta Singha and Burmese. Question number 73. One of the following books is the most important literary source for which study of early history of Assam, which is the book the Mahabharata, B the Harsha Charita, C the Kalika Purana, D the Arthashastra. The correct answer is B the Harsha Charita. Question number 74. The earliest king of Assam was Mahiranga Danaba, B Narakasur, C Bhaskar Burman, D Naranarayan. The correct answer is A Mahiranga Danaba. 75. Patia Ibriya was written by A Al-Barauni, B Ajan Fakir, C Mirzumla, D Shihauddin Talish. The correct answer is D Shihauddin Talish. Question number 76. In the Battle of Saraighat next to Lachit Borphukan was the leadership of A. Rajmantri Ahum Borgohai Dangoria, B. Kalia Bhumra Borphukan, C. Min Sandhi Koi, D. Manthir Borali Borua. The correct answer is A. Rajmantri Ahum Buraguhai. Question number 77. The Chief Commissionership was introduced in Assam. A. 1873, B. 1874, D. C. 1875, D. 1876. The correct answer is B. A. 1874. Question number 78. Mark the correct share of Kuwait's oil reserve compared to world's total. A. About 16%, B. Between 20% and 30%, C. Less than 16%, D. Equal to the share of Russia. The correct answer is C. Less than 16%. 79. Which one of the following mountain range does not tally with the main Himalayan range? A. Trans Himalayan range, Great Himalayan range, Lesser Himalayan range, and Shiba Top. The correct answer is C. Lesser Himalayan range. Question number 80. Recognize which of the following rivers is not south following. A. The Damodar, B. Chambal, C. The Kosi, D. The Gadadhar. The correct answer is B. The Chambal. Question number 81. Which one season of the following is associated with Bordochila in Assam? A. Pre-monsoon season, B. Monsoon season, C. Retreating monsoon season, D. Winter season. The correct answer is A. Pre-monsoon season. Thank you for watching my video.